Oh, whoops, that was by stun.
Oops, that's a misclick.
Bombs, bomb.
Left side. Get the interrupt.
Destruction! The Fury has broken free! Quick! Get it under control!
Don't drop the bombs near people, please.
We have it under control!
Don't need to pick them up anymore either.
Just blow them up early away from people.
We're on a bomb, but
First elemental bear. Bear, come to blue, please. I need to interrupt. On blue square. Thank you.
Needs another.
We're good. Kill Feldspar, guys. You don't have to stand there anymore, Beard. Stand somewhere, yeah. Oh, it came all the way back. Go back, go back, go back. You went too far. CC blue square.
Spread out more, guys.
Go Beard. Go Beard. Okay. Slag coming. Go! It's blowing up. We're a little low. We're a little low. Push a little bit more. Good. Clean up ads. Clean up ads. Mine's going down. Don't kill it. Just fucking kill the ads.
Alright, we can go now. Kill
Okay.
the elemental.
It's blowing up. Get away. Pot.
Pots.
Push, 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 push. Good.
Ads.
Hair Day, bring yours
After
to
the next
purple.
blast, I'm going to drink.
Here, they go to purple right now.
Don't kill that elemental that's low until it's there.
Just kill ads now, Heriday. Just kill ads. Don't kill the one that's on you.
Drinking.
Kill this fire caller. Perfect. Kill the last fire caller. I'm swapping the slag elemental.
Can you pull him out, Reese's?
3, 2, 1. Blowing up. Get away.
Elementalist.
CDs. Go, go, go. Ads now. This is good push. Keep going. Good. Yeah. Who wants one? Who wants one? See ya, come.
Blue square is like at 40%.
We're just gonna kill this one off. See ya. Kill your ads. Kill your ads. Kill your ads. I need to interrupt on Skull. Okay, leave it alone now.
Alright, we're good. Slag
We're good. Okay, kill Skull.
Push.
Kill Skull. That's too far away. Go back in just in case. Good. Blowing up.
Hero.
Okay, after this guy dies, range follow me. And then we stay lightly spread. Stay spread with the volatile fire. Kill it. AoE.
Alright.
AoE.
Finish
Follow
the
me.
remaining guards and fire callers.
Do not step.
Stay spread. Stay spread.
I got the boss. We can't swap too much, Arya, or else we'll fuck up.
Kill the boss now. Stay spread.
Stop cleaving the elementals that are in melee.
Alright, now just fucking push on the boss, guys. Let's do this. Melt, come, let's go. Let's go. Don't stand in the melt.
Slack going up.
Push. Come on, guys. We got this.
Tawny.
Move. This is free right here, guys, for us.
Move out of there.
We're fine here, guys. Stay out of the. We're in the belt right now. Come on, follow me. Go. Move. Go to purple.
Somebody sack Arya. My
If you
guardian's
need
up.
to, I've got Spirit Link Totem still I can drop in there.
Next belt, we gotta go to green tanks.
Okay, we need to
Oh shit!
definitely get.
Where'd that melt come from?
Use your cookie.
Tawny on a move.
Health pots if you're low. Get someone up.
Single target.
Could somebody get me up so I can trank?
Melt on me. 2 million, go. Push, just push.
CDs should be up. Use.
Are you down?
Come on, 500k!
Yeah!
Oh my
one else is
god.
screaming.
Ooh, brace.
That should get